right on Max TV. If you are closer to ACHIMOTA more, you can join us. You can join us. Hey, you can join us. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Special we are doing it. Thank you so much for joining us on Max TV. On Max TV. It's a special moment we have for you all. Thank you so much. You are watching us right on Max TV, and we promise we have amazing people joining us. I can see Dickness in the building. I can see the latest car owner, the one who won You Shop, You Drive. Madam Victoria is also here. Mr. Mwako is also here. The marketing manager Rita is also here. And this is my team. We are shortly going to open. So all we are doing here, we promise you a shop in ACHIMOTA. And that is why we are here. Mommy, please let's join. So we are officially going to cut the ribbon. And as you do it, we're doing the MAXBUY with Patrol. One more head, you know, more coming home. You know, ever spelling MAXBUY near the piano. Please, are we ready? Are we ready? So let's go. Let's spell MAXBUY. MAXBUY, and it's MAXBUY. Yes, this is how we do it officially. We opening our MAXBUY ACHIMOTA Mall brand. This is how we do it here. Yes, the shop is officially open. Please, let's go in and go have a view. We can all go in and have a view. See how the inside is. Yes. Let's go, let's go. And that is how it's going on. Another cultural display for you all. Enjoy this beautiful performance for us. So, I want us to do something shortly. My cultural people, please hold on for me. Please hold on for me. Just give me a minute, I'll come back to you. So we got a surprise that the more people want to do a presentation for us. Rita, let me have you. Clive, Mr. Mwako. Clive, please get me Mr. Mwako and Rita. Please join me. And let's have the team from the mall. Okay, so let's have the team from the mall in the next 1 minute. Patrol, I think I'll share here is the grand opening of MAXBUY ACHIMOTA Mall store. And Nani Etiano. Na ye advert near Cancer Bebre me patro wonji ndi na utifie na so afaka bra na be hwade omo ha be brebe tumi atrade ye koso me patro ene ye up to 50% e won yama ne bebre so na nanso ye fala. If you know how we do fala patro ye fala de titi bibia so say ye titi bibia so say internet there is going on specially right here at ACHIMOTA Mall. Please let me have the culture perform whilst we wait for the more people and continue. Beautiful cultural performance. And that is Dickness doing it for us. Let's go. Dickness and Victoria Williams doing it for us. Let's go. Hey, Dickness. And then I win him here. Bibia, Dickness is in here. so Dickness, please join me. So especially as you know it, MAXBUY, we always do something amazing. And one thing we have here is we always have people who back our back. And Dickness is not new at all to MAXBUY. He has been doing great. In fact, let me say she, because my neck careful, Dickness, you walk, I am our crabber. Internet dear wa be pie mu wa hanom pacho me who add ne dear but so wa boy am command kuntia be pie mu wa hanom.
Okay, MAXBUY, any yeah piano if you let's say every day be maybe on shop piano I do come all the time. Yes, it's in MAXBUY I quite say me MAXBUY MAXBUY grandmother, MAXBUY sister, MAXBUY auntie, MAXBUY father. So anytime be on your program there I'm supposed to be there. I was at West Hills and here too and Junction Mall and I think the one too at is it Tamakwino Sono? Yes, I was there as well. So wherever MAXBUY go Dickness, no, I'm like MAXBUY grandmother. Yeah.
Okay, Mpacho, nene dia munyina weshia MAXBUY grandmother. Na me kai paso kaso fa kettle ne man blend and into abaso obeto ana.
Oh yes. All right, oh yes.
Okay, so at this strong compare now walk catch obia on beto ade wo MAXBUY. Any obia wa ha ne message back o ben now be catch romo.
And the mechanism say MAXBUY baby. Let me tell you one thing. Your represent big and pay later. So we sit us subscribe now we see you can just big and pay later. And I'm going to say look on your thing. What did the fuck when you're going to put your crown or your big and pay. So what's it just get inside.
Okay, into Pacho, the Okanin and say, buy now, pay later, Wahomao. Brabejo, dear, when is coming now? Bet me at one way to Yane, Kakra, Dickness here that, but a mumba sound back home and no Fendiasa or Jassa, no dear free her. When him see me now, dear son, aha, what my fan go, hey, what time they'll come, I go, hey, never, young cray, never, young cray, and warning, hey. Let me finish on to be the Asano, boy, and that is a special one from Dicknesses. Wow, hey, MAXBUY grandmother, why you need Thank you so much. Please, Madam Victoria Williams, please join me. Thank you so much. Me pacho bi baby say mami the MAXBUY odini free here. Months ago, we started a promo named You Shop, You Drive. You can say, Brabetto, I do a MAXBUY shop here. Now, what do you do? We a blender, air fryer, car. The latest car owner in town on one edge chain. You shop, you drive, no. Joe Winnie Kano, and this is Madam Victoria Williams. Mami, Akraba. Yeah, that's a password back here. So far, I can't know who is saying. But what's on what's my video?
Can be perfect. Be perfect.
Okay, so I say so far, no, can't be kama. Fitted the band, I will start on the MAXBUY airboy.
MAXBUY company, me started to my action. na omo bibia obeto bia no enya dia obeka se ebese na mpo se chimaba ho a omo shop a omo ye maintenance ho se wo de kwa na ba maintenance na enye sika bia omo be charge but ade na omo de be sesa wo ho no ena omo be je o ti MAXBUY product de midi nwa dance se wo to a wontu sika hu kura
make I say edumre aye bisa wo say unya ka na ebisa wo na utusu benya na ba cho beso sanka sa respond ba biom.
Oh me beto phone de eya ade na ye to se rafo ba me kura na minim se rafo bi wo ho na ona well na menya akọ se omo surprise bi mame ba na me de minim se ka I thought normal gift okoto ade a ye de ma not knowing say such a big surprise from MAXBUY company.
Alright, thank you so much. Now last words I met you on the day assemble the catch or be on say MAXBUY car. I know think I then assemble the catch no.
Yeah, they can make catch Ghana for you now say MAXBUY for the must. Omaka say since be a company. Omo de omo paibo eta omo chi e ma bibia e bia e kwaso pepepe. Ade bia Ghana for beto MAXBUY for no. MAXBUY for say omo da omo se. Omo kwaso na so electrical gadget bia ni phones a mentwa MAXBUY ho bomodin abra MAXBUY na betobi unless say wanya bi ansa na wako different shop ti e ka kire obi bia say mon kwaso ana mo ne MAXBUY endi dwa na omo ne ma nyina e quality.
Thank you so much, Madam Victoria. We the major hombato. Sa mo fa nyum tu ono. Aduwa na mo fa me fa me. Yego, mo beta no. Yego. Hey, ono wa start here Saturday da. Hey. Yego. And that is Madam Victoria Williams.
Can you hear me? 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 It's opening to everyone. And now, as I said earlier, thank you so much. We are putting surprises on the faces of people. But here comes a case. I want my team to join me. Mr. Makwa, Rita, please join me. Okay, so there's a special surprise. I think, Rita, let's come this way. So, as much as we are putting surprise on the faces of people, also a surprise is being put on our faces. So we have a special message from them in a presentation. But
hello, so we are from the center management team and we would want to welcome MAXBUY to the ACHIMOTA Retail Center. We warmly congratulate you on your opening and we say welcome. Have a nice business time with us and we trust you enjoy the service. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Marco, Yanti will respond.
Actually, we receive it and we really appreciate it. You know, when I came in, I came to your office to look for you. I didn't know you were preparing something for us. But you've changed today. You are looking bright. All right. So thank you so much. And we really...
So let's have the presentation being done. Thank you so much, and this is how we do it here. Mpacho, oko jishobu baby ni and welcome special. Say an chest baby oko GN is a wrong place. What else here? Thank you so much. We appreciate you all, and it still continues. So this is the grand opening of MAXBUY ACHIMOTA Mall branch. We promise you a great performance, a great sales, a great discount. Mpacho, who right inside? I want to the cost one coffee to the pan. Just a uti fear now will share. Now one bejo the pan and one man a pound. Mpacho. So we have lots of things inside. We are doing a special discount on Easy Buy. Yeah, interest rate policy be amount. Members of Easy Buy team the for us to talk about it. So my lady, please join me. Buy now, pay later. No, me patro documents are here so the beba. Now Ben is saying I want to account here. Now if you now show me no account home. Abba bejo dear. So that's my beautiful lady. I'll let her mention her name, then after she'll take us through documents I here.
Hello, Pastor Mama Kwaba, ever grand opening of MAXBUY. You're from Dorcas, for Easy Buy. Yeah, requirements. And they say, it's the open source device that is phone between Techno, Infinix, or itel phones. Yeah, 30% down payment, everybody. Ghana card. O voters ID and answer o driver's license and nebeba. Na so open appliance so 40 to 50% down payment per and na o de beto asie na ye the appliance ni so amount since we choose between 3 to 6 months. Now the tiani aka send your tagline e can or say buy now and pay later. Into we tiani in anka within 3 to 6 months.
Okay. Ade ba kwam for bisani say here guarantor and so na dey.
Okay, so the guarantor is basically for the home appliances, most especially. In turn, the guarantor the phone number and the beba. Sanya ubenya witness. Yes, you benya who witness dancing ni ubeji appliance. Na say you or bet your ubejine mama also. Pacha inwana.
Na matisi percentage on interest be. Me patro cheche muchromo. Cause I need your bridge na one more mujina he nyina omo hwe no. Watch Max TV for nyina omo nyomba kwa GB. What you say?
Me patro interest no it's on the Techno come on 50 and Techno come on 50 Pro. It is the ohia cell phones mienu we ya. Oba the interest rate no ya tisu 50% like amount of 50% off for the interest for 3 good months. It's running from 26th of March, which was yesterday, up to 4th of April. It's a one bar within that period where after 4th of April, there, only has 50% of the interest for 3 months. No. It's a no interest that you're running for Techno come on 50 and Techno come on 50 Pro.
Thank you so much. Now, the Techno my friend Techno for come home near Dinkomo Afa interest now because what Techno come on 50 and come on 40 50 Pro no. Now this one guy trying to say Techno come on 50 phone or the APA and chair with the tier rubber into one Joe dear partner not your welcome.
Then I'll be so who's see.
Oh, what say? Me can't make us a MAXBUY be I won't can. But better out church here. We know who say some American and intro. In teacher, the echoes about Techno come on 50 no.
Oh, Techno come on 50 no. Yeah, a person will be who say is the latest and the best phone on the market. It's the newest and it's the come on 50 series. You can get underwater photography. Baby obeko bia no betimi atwa picture under ensue nya eye 100 say to say me gina hayi metimi twa picture 60 times zoom far from wherever you are standing. It's yen fan say me gina hayi metimi atwa picture one fan say e bia poko asefo no utimi zoom into poko ase obeso hu future ka obetimi hu phone ne so it's nya person extra mo ne say no ye dom na MAXBUY abahan no so ye promotion be from now to 4th April. We are giving 50% discount on interest from Easy Buy. You did say Ghana for Easy Buy atum. Enti say na yedomo nonti. Ya titi phone so amamo on the interest. Enti obi ope come on 50 ni bibia no. Onra MAXBUY shop anywhere everywhere. Techno is with you there. Thank you.
Okay. Now one thing I want you to also clear before you go is I know we are doing something amazing on Swap. Me patcho. Me person Be most answer obi aso ya MAXBUY ya mo swap phone but o chere mu no amecheme
won say star and beka de bia no techno ye dogana for enti say no obi a we use techno phone bia dada bia no say ye swapping ubetimi the phones na call MAXBUY shop bia, they will direct you on the process and then they'll let you know what to do. But the most interesting thing is that you can bring your old phone and trade it in for the Carbon 50. You see, you can't get something good and hide it. Won't say a city set on a hill cannot be hidden. When there's something good, everybody has to get a feel of it. Carbon 50 now abano. Oh dear, old phone, Techno, Infinix, Itel, or the Ferrari shop. Ebi. Yebema price was so. Ebi Techno for say February. Yebema price was so. In fact, difference na ka hono. Now we now they are just come on 50 no. Umpewe da opeden.
Just to let you know that Carbon 50 is for everybody. Men to the fear and case me ni sika na me be no. U phone the crowd bet me dey akoda dey aka ho. Do you have a final words to say?
Yeah. So, as we love MAXBUY, we love ACHIMOTA more. Coming Wednesday, we'll be running a promotion here. From Wednesday till the end of Monday, we'll be here. And if you buy any techno phone, you get a wonderful gift. So make sure you still come to the shop and you're pay. We love you. Techno loves everybody.
Then this one, there's a breaking news from Techno to you all. That from Wednesday, please come to ACHIMOTA Mall. Come and buy because they have something amazing. Thank you so much, Nat. And now, Mepacho, everything that is being said from MAXBUY, there's a brain behind it. Mepacho, when you producer back no one's a marketing manager. I want to get a marketing manager for MAXBUY. She will answer all your questions. Yeah, one say morning, say bono mo bono wa beti asi and leader crowd.
yeah pahuntama yeguso anti baby bia obi an body ase odi American tete beba na waba be pim we say promotions ahodo pii na ekoso amanfo age o machede pii phone ba kwa ya na amanfo ani je ho Infinix phones amanfo edi ho adanse kanfo pa ene meni abaye ba betwetwe nkomo na yebisa ne se edie kwan soronko be na ye omofa so a ye omo ye Infinix phones no me sure so se ebi nso e wo ha ene hia ho be hia se ye beba na yaba beto Infinix phones e o MAXBUY meni abaye te sen
acha ye bebre
bibi aboko
acha bibi aboko
bodina ukunu ana wompana ehu
acha me din di Janet mini kunu mini mpna
oni kunu oni mpna ene na kire se afa you Infinix mobom homodен dodo amanfo di mu ho adanse a magiri pa se ebi e o MAXBUY ha you ede na eye soronko e o mo phones huntie ya na amanfo di ho adanse sa.
Okay, with Infinix, we don't just give you any phone, but we give you the sleekest phone with big battery capacity, and also you can get all our models at affordable prices. That is one thing that Infinix is doing for everyone, not just the Gen Zs, because we don't actually leave older people out. We have phones for everyone, suiting everyone's style and everyone's vibe. So please, as MAXBUY has opened today, you can please enter into the shop. Our beautiful sales reps are actually going to take care of you and give you the best quality. Infinix, we say the future is now.
You and then yensempa or say the future is now. International so here be say ya. Oh here be say ya. It and also you betimi abaye buy na yentua later na.
Yeah, all our models are buy now, pay later. Yes, you can get it. And we also have our Note 60 Ultra currently on pre-order. So you can actually search us on TikTok at Infinix Ghana, click on our link and then, pre-order. But please note that all our models, from the Smart to the Note to the Hot, they are all on Easy Buy. That is buy now, pay later.
You, Janet, why? Na number na ya na odi say obi anya yisa enya bad enti abusuafo yeguso a yewo ACHIMOTA mall MAXBUY ye new shop ena yebuya no na o hwe Max TV na o tie so Max FM na ye ne adofo bi ane omo abeto omo ne ma abetwetwe nkomo pa che say
chome hoye
na ufinfa
me finsawom
mpacho ma menton kakakra ufin
nsawom
enti nsawom ton no wafi e no abaha no
shine
me obeto den
blender
magidi pa se blender ebi e won nsawom but abomodin ya pa shops ahodo e won nsawom ho aba be pie mu e wa ACHIMOTA mo MAXBUY ede na ye soronko e wo MAXBUY en product hunti a watimi afoka abaha
oh me show TV so say mo ye matetete nyama so na yesi we de yentumi ntina fie nti o say ye ba na ye be hwe na yetumi say betuma to bia enu ntia na ye ba ye
o buy ne so ohu ye niema no prices ne say
oh very 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 affordable matobi nti obi nso mbra metobi
abusuafo a ye hwe e wo fie ede na be ka kire mo
me ka kire mu na say bebi omo obi a omo mbra no mbetobi na ye very affordable na omo pe bia omo benya wa ha TV o bibi biara
you ye da say nti onko na oba ye
da bi me na sister bye
okay that's it enti eya won so fa na mani gya wa kire ho why ni na aboa ebo adwuma no ama adwuma no ekoso enti na chese na ebe wie na chese lotto numbers na doso enti ye ne ye customers no eguso a etwetwe enkomo na ene amanfo ba ye omani age papa enti yenkwe na ye ne yen customer etwetwe enkomo age te say
pacho ye
bibi aboko pacho di
pacho FM James
ufifa
me free ashama katamanso
ena wabaha
yeah na maba na eno am call night ena me plan up enti sata na me ti news na me so me fa so dia baha ena anything na me na enti me so me buy no mabe hu nyama makoma so adia me pe ena mato price ni so cool because ko mu no na enti sa mato ato phone ba ko be am many long time last year I wanted to buy that phone but I couldn't afford but because of MAXBUY I was able to do or to buy it So I'm grateful.
And I mean, me too. Come obi wo say what the MAXBUY. Ehwa na wo to oniema nyina. E na special ye niema ho ntia da bia MAXBUY na wo to wade.
Oh, Germany so quality because me share one label no me ready answer na. Me choose na me pe. Intimation so ada quality. Nti na me ye de. Me to e.
Abusuafo ehwe wo fie, abusuafo etie e o Max FM 89.7. E na wo ka kire bibia o hwe wo Max TV awie.
Oh, me catch him confuse say omunya ska kakre bia onu de nya bebre kakre bia oba obenya bebi ja kofi. Yeah, nti MAXBUY the best. Nti omo bomo ja no mo ye de omo bra ase no omo beto